Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan pie crust. So let's get started. So in order to make this vegan, we need to use vegan butter, and you can use either the spread or the sticks. If you're using the spread, it needs the addition of shortening because the spread is way too soft on its own and the pie crust will be hard to work with and it won't come out very flaky. So if you're using the spread, you need half vegan butter and half shortening. If you're using the sticks, you can just use all butter. I'm going to show you how to make it using the spreads because it's easier to get a hold of and it results in a flakier pie crust. So measure out the vegan butter and place it onto a piece of parchment paper. And do the same thing with the shortening. Then cut up both of them into small pieces. And place them into the freezer until they're really well chilled, about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, sugar, and salt. And mix them together until they're combined. Once the butter and shortening are well chilled, remove them from the freezer and add them into the flour mixture. And rub and press them between your fingers into the flour until they're about the size of small peas and there are no large lumps. Try not to make it too fine. Then place it into the freezer so it stays nice and cold. Then after 10 minutes, remove it from the freezer and add in the ice cold water. Start with 3 tablespoons. Mix it to combine the water into the mixture. Then use your hands to bring it together into a ball. If it's too dry, add in another tablespoon of water. Once it forms a ball, wrap it in plastic wrap, flatten it into a disc, and place it into the fridge for 15 minutes or until you're ready to use it. Then lightly flour the work surface. Place the dough onto the surface. Lightly flour the top of the dough and roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick and about 1 to 2 inches larger than the pie pan. Make sure there's enough flour to keep it from sticking. Then roll up the dough around the rolling pin and unroll it into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan. Lift and lower the crust until it fits the pan. And trim off the excess from the edges. And the crust is ready to be made into a pie. I'll be uploading a few vegan pie recipes soon, and I'll put links in the description box once they're up. And keep the crust stored in the fridge until you're ready to use it. And that's how to make a vegan pie crust. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.